I am Skyler Kardell. I was born and raised on Nantucket. This is going to be my second season as coastal steward for the Tuckernuck Land Trust. My position is kind of a jack-of-all-trades type position. Primarily it's monitoring the shorebirds that are both nesting and migrating through Tuckernuck. And overall just kind of a resource for anyone on the island hoping to learn a little more about natural history or the birds that are around them. There's been over 400 species in the entire history of Nantucket ornithology that have been recorded here. So there are countless opportunities to see and discover new species for yourself. And of course there is that competitive aspect that I personally really enjoy. And I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but when you wake up at 3 a.m. For a birdathon and you try for 24 hours to see as many birds as you can, you will get a sense of adrenaline that is unparalleled by anything else. On the day I found that bird, I had to send it around to like 6 different people before I actually got a conclusive ID on it as being a gray heron. And by that time, it was already nightfall and the bird had flew the coop, so to speak. But then the next day we went out to Muskeget. This was September 6th, and it was me and Tucker Taylor. So we came out with the intent to photograph it to the best of our ability and to really get solid documentation. And we got our bird. It was basically the first bird we saw as we landed on Muskeget. It was there waiting for us. It's one of the most surreal experiences of my life, just like coming ashore on Muskeget and having that be the bird right on the shore. Yeah, we came in that day knowing what we were gonna find, and we were really lucky that we were able to re-find it on Muskeget. Of all places, it could have flown all the way down to Cape May by that time, but instead it just went to the next island over, so.